How to use Builder Apprentice in Clash of Clans. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. First of all, open up your Play Store. Now tap on the source icon at the bottom right corner. Now tap on the source bar and type COC. Now click on search. Now make sure to update to the latest version. Now once you update, simply tap on play. Now wait for the game to load. Now tap on shop. Now tap on resources. Now scroll to the right. Now tap on helper hut and buy this building. Now once you buy it, tap on the cross icon. Now scroll down. Now tap on helper hut. Now click on assign apprentice. Now buy the builder apprentice. Then now tap on assign button next to any upgrading building to reduce the completion time. Tap on assign. Now click on confirm. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.